All right, doesn't matter. Okay, here we go. Hi, viewers. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day. And I'm your host, Mir Sadruddin, welcoming you to this wonderful Sunday evening session. Hawk Academy presents Magic Moments of Life. So it's really I'm really happy to see you all once again here in my program. And uh, before we begin the session, let's take a pledge because being a special day today, it's a platinum jubilee. India is celebrating 75 years of independence. So let's take a pledge and move on. The very simple pledge, which normally it may remain in everybody's mind is giving a magic hug. Yeah, giving a magic hug. What is that magic hug? The HUG. This harmony. H stands for harmony, U stands for unity, and G stands for generations. Okay. So, like our Dr. Abdul Kalam said, it's a little part of that I've taken here. Said, let there be harmony in home and unity in the nation, and there will be a peaceful living for generations to come. So these are all the things we are supposed to really have it in mind. So that's what I call it as a magic hug. Okay, so HUG, wonderful. So today, in fact, I have a special guest for you to perform certain activities in front of you. So he is none other than my son. Last week I brought my daughter here, so he is going to perform mental arithmetic calculations for you. All right. So it's all about improving mental ability. So we always talk about how we can accelerate our brain, and how we can activate the brain, how we accelerate the brain, and how we empower the brain with special abilities. So that's all we are going to talk about all the time. Okay. So the moment I say mental, so it reminds me, my mind recollects a nice story for you. So let me put it across. Okay. So the story is, there's a guy who wants to who is mentally unstable. Like, we are all talking about mental stability and developing that, but we are talking about a guy who is mentally unstable. So he has to be admitted into a asylum. Okay, so the family members took him to an asylum. So the guy who was accompanying him, so he was speaking to the asylum authorities. So everywhere you go there is a test. Without a test you don't get admitted anywhere. Like, you go to school, there is a test, admission test. You go to college, there is an admission test. In the same way, when you go to asylum, also there is an admission test. There's a fitness test. So you go to college and schools for good reasons, but here again for another reason, that people again see that whether you are fit enough to get an admission into the asylum. Okay. So but the authorities, so they took these two people, the guy who was mentally unfit and the fellow who came along with him, to the bathroom. Okay. So, and the authority has shown him a tub filled with water, in the bathroom. So so he asked the guy, see, there is a tub filled with water. So there are three things available here. You need to empty this tub faster. So three things. The first one is the bucket. The second one is mug. Third one is the spoon. All right. So there are three things available. So how do we go about? How do you go about emptying this tub? So that was the question. Okay, given to that guy who was mentally unfit. Okay. So let me ask you this question. So we need to get that guy, admitted into the asylum. So I request you people to type answer so that this guy can get admitted. Okay. So there are three things which were given to him, presented to him. There is a bucket, mug, and a spoon. Okay. So now tell me what that guy would have chosen, or how he probably would have gone through or explained the process, so that the asylum authorities would have admitted him into the asylum. Yeah, asylum is nothing but a mental hospital. Yeah, yes. Can you people just type, because I know that there are very less number of people today because of the Independence Day. So can you just type in the chat box what answer comes to your mind? What answer comes to your mind? How he can really go about that? Yes, yes. Anybody? Just type something there. Yes. Yeah. Nothing coming to your mind. Nothing coming to your mind. Yeah. Some intelligent people said, they say just remove the what the cork in the bathtub, the water will just drain away much faster. Yeah, yes, yes or no? There's no need of using bucket, mug, or a spoon to clear the tub. But if you probably thought that's the right answer, then let me tell you, I never used the word bathtub. I only said tub. I only said tub. So in that case, what could be the answer? Will you use a bucket? If you use a bucket, yes, you can probably pour out water faster. But as the level comes down, again you have to use a mug. Again, level comes down, you have to use a spoon, isn't it? Yeah. Otherwise, the best thing is just turn the tub, just turn the tub around. Everything is clear. Yes or no? Okay. So this is what is something which I wanted to tell you. And before we continue with the other real brain development program, so let me, this is all for the lighter note so that you warm up your brain. And this guy, when he wants to really get that appointment, he couldn't get it done. Why? Because there was a big hole in his pocket. I mean, when he put his hand inside the pocket, there was nothing there. There's no money. Yeah. So that brings me to that trick where I told you last time, I can find how much money you have in your pocket. So let me just take you through that particular trick. All right. So then we invite the guest and have this program forward. All right. So this hole in the pocket is some hole which the whole world really hates, because nobody wants to sit without money. But today in the COVID situation, all our pockets are empty. Yeah. So what way my magic is really going to work? My trick is going to work. Find out how much money you have in your pocket. But just imagine a situation: you have some money with you, and you can just take some number in your mind. Okay. So let's see how, without you telling me, I could able to say find that out how much money you have. Okay. All right. You ready? Ready? If you are ready, please type or in your chat box, because I'm not seeing any chats going on. Maybe you people are a bit tired. Yeah, something like that. Can you just type R there? Yeah, thank you, Dr. Sudha. All right. So let me put this in front of you. Think of some numbers. Okay, that's a cash which is there in your pocket. Let's say. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's begin this game. I hope, but don't forget, whatever the figure you are going to put, please write it down. Otherwise, you will forget after the end of the calculations. You will forget what you thought about. Okay, so just add 5 to that. Whatever the amount you've taken in your mind, add 5 to it. You've done that? Okay, that's very good. Now, add. Okay, don't add anything. So you added 5. All right. Now multiply this total by 2. Yeah, you've done that. Multiply this total by 2. Okay, that's very good. Now, multiply this total by 5. So the third step. Okay. I'm again repeating the steps so that don't forget. First, I told you to take the money, count the money, and keep the number. And then I told you to add number 5 to it. And then the second step, I told you to multiply that by 2. All right. The third step, I told you to multiply that by 5. All right. You got the total? You have the total with you? That's very good. Okay. So this entire session, you're going to sit with calculator because the other programs also definitely needs a calculator. All right. So now the next step is add any one single digit, okay, your favorite single digit to that, okay, to this total. Any favorite digit, single digit, right? You added, that's wonderful. Now the last step, add 10 to it. Add 10 to it. Yeah, you've done that. Can you please type the total in your chat box so that I can tell you that what is the total? Okay, so please type that. And let me tell you, today, in fact, we planned 2 major, mind activation, programs, which are really going to blow your mind. Okay. All right. Dr. Sudha has written 51. 51 or is 61? Ma'am, there is some calculation error, I think so, in your total. Either it should be 61, it cannot be 51, because in no way, even if you start with 0 also, it cannot come to 51. All right, just see. Okay, Lavanya has said 1065. So let me tell you what is the amount which Lavanya is having in her pocket right now. It's 100 rupees. Yeah, is it right? 100 rupees. Okay. Yes or no? Just give me in the reply in the chat box. Yeah, 100. Yes. Okay. Yeah, Lavanya, is this answer is right or not? Because this YouTube live is just a one-way traffic. Unless you do a reply on the chat box, I won't be knowing whether I'm doing it right or not. All right. Okay. So that's what it is. And generally parents expect 4 things as a most important aspect for making the kids prosper in life. Okay, so let me tell you what it is. Okay, thank you, Lavanya, for saying exactly the same. Okay, that's very good. So if you follow these steps, you can really find out how much money you have in your pocket. Okay, these are all just general tricks which you can use it to entertain people, but the actual thing comes here. It's not about just entertaining. You're going to empower. You're going to empower your brain. All right, so be ready for that. Yes. Okay, so there are 4 things which parents expect out of the children, okay, or they need it for the children. Is number 1 is the study time. The study time should be less. They want the children to read more in less time, and also they expect them to remember. All right, so this is number 1, okay, requirement. Number 2, second requirement is they don't want stress. When the children do that, they don't want stress. All right, and they want all the data whatever the children studied to remain in the brain, because generally the complaint is child reads it or the student reads it, even the college students I'm saying, but they forget very fast, right? So this is another issue. The third issue is how fast we can recollect the data we stored. Of course, that's what is going to help you in the exams, so that you can write faster. All right. Okay. All right. So within the given time, you need to write your paper. All right. So this number 3. And number 4, okay, the most important thing. Okay, how long you can retain the data in your brain. So these are the 4 important aspects which any learner needs. So here, in this particular next 15 minutes, we are going to have these things in front of you. So I am inviting the guest for the session today is none other than my son, Mir Hamyuddin. He will just give you a small explanation about what he's going to do, and you be ready with the typing spirits so that you can key in a lot of numbers. Otherwise, we have to read out our own numbers. All right. So he is going to captivate your mind with a lot of additions, subtractions, multiplication, divisions, and all that. Okay. So the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, he will be doing it. And also, I request you, please write down some words with you so that when I ask you, request you, you can type it out. So I'm going to show you the next activity from my side. All right. So be ready. Here comes my son. Yeah.
Hello everyone. First of all, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. I am Mir Hamiuddin and today I'm going to do in front of you memory calculations. Now, brain stimulation at the age of 5 to 15 is very essential. This helps the right hemisphere to perform to its fullest and helps the learners to perform better. I did my graduation in Arc Academy for 10 years and it makes me feel so happy that my memory skills has improved a lot and even my mental ability. When I perform in front of people, it gives me so much confidence that I can do it so well and it really shocks them. Now, today in front of you, I'm going to do many calculations in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and as well as square roots. I just hope you guys are ready with your calculators so that when you people when the numbers are called out and you guys calculate, I'll be doing the calculations in my mind and be ready with the answer. If you guys are ready, type the letter E. Now you guys are ready? Just put the letter E in the chat box.
Okay. Okay. Let them give. Or you want double digit or single digit numbers?
Okay, you have an R.
Yeah, this is right.
Okay, now for addition, we won't be using the term plus. Instead, the numbers will just be called out immediately. Like for example, 25, 33, 47. We won't be using the term plus. But for subtraction, we'll be using the term minus. Okay, let's go for it.
Ask them to type.
Okay, you guys can type the numbers in the chat box and I'll be calculating them, okay?
Okay. Can I request Dr. Sudha to type out at least about 10 two-digit numbers there quickly, so that I call out the same numbers, and maybe Lavanya, you can take a calculator, or any other participant here, Anusha Reddy or anybody, take out a calculator and key in the data. Yeah, keep just Dr. Sudha, just continuously give 10 numbers. Continuously give two-digit numbers. 10 numbers you give. So I will call out in a way where maybe addition or subtraction, whatever it is. So then we will show you the values in the calculator also. All right. Dr. Sudha, you can type out some numbers continuously. Yeah, that's very good. Thank you very much. So let me call out these numbers. Okay. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You ready with your thing? Yeah. Okay. All right. 27, 45, 67, minus 32, 89, minus 51, 12, 45, 78, 78. That is,
Guys, your answer is 366.
some issue there. Did you do it correctly? Okay. All right. We will. Okay, Lavanya, can you type out another set of numbers, please, or Anusha Reddy or somebody? So when somebody is doing it with a calculator, when I say minus, you also have to subtract it in your calculator. Actually, these programs are all performed offline, where you can really see the way how it progresses. But when it is done offline, it's very difficult to, I mean, online, especially with the without the window of participants. So it's slightly tricky. All right, we will do one thing just to make you comfortable. I will request my wife to call out some numbers. Yeah, okay. Dr. Sudha has given another set of numbers. All right. Okay. Yes, here we go. You ready? Okay. Ready?
Yes.
12, 22, 33, 44, minus 55, 66, 77, minus 88, 99, 55. That is,
Your answer is 265.
see, I'm showing it here. Huh? 265. Yeah. Okay. So that's what it is. In fact, thank you very much. You want to give? Wait. Can you give me any three-digit number, please? We will do a multiplication. You ready? Single digit. Okay. Three-digit with a single digit number. We'll ask him to multiply. Okay. Let me ask, because it's taking time. So let me ask. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
You just do the calculation. Okay. 458 into 7.
The answer is 3206.
Is it coming? 3206. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Hami. Thanks a lot. Okay. So that's what it is. In fact, you're happy about it. I mean, of course, it was not that captivating reason, because there is a slight, what do you call, synchronizing issue. Otherwise, if it is done offline in front of people, a large audience on a stage, it really, take you into surprise. All right. Now, I want you people to do one more thing for me. See, there are 30 words in this list here. All right. With a number given there. All right. So I want you people to type out as many words you want. Okay. Whatever the words you want to, some simple words. So I will instantly recall all these 30 words. And also you can ask me the corresponding numbers once I recall. And the thing is, what I'm trying to do here is, I just shared with you the parental requirements and the learner's requirement of quick memorizing, that's studying more in less time. So this is what exactly I'm trying to explain to you. You see me how I'm going to do it. The moment the words are typed there, okay, so it will be filled also side by side, and you see me recalling that. You can also ask me in the box, chat box, numbers, the corresponding numbers. I will tell the word, or the corresponding word. If you write the word, I'll tell the corresponding number, whatever the way it is. So normally when the words are given to you, 30 words, 50 words are given to you, take some time. It's like a dictation. You want to write it down, jot it down one by one, and then sit and read and memorize it. And when you recall, when you call out, first 10 numbers, I mean words might come fast. Afterwards, you will see there's a lot of stress. You are taking time to pull the things out. Same thing happens with the examination. Yes or no? All right. So can you just type out some words quickly, because I need 30 words. Okay, let's finish this activity in another 5 minutes. Yes, because we started this session 5 minutes late, so it doesn't matter if we can take a little more time to close it. Yes. Can you please type out? I want everybody to type out whatever 5, 6, whatever words comes to your mind. Just type it out. So let's quickly finish this. All right, ready? Okay, first word is happy. So happy is the word Sudha madam is given. Just keep typing, madam. Lavanya or any other participants, can you please type out? Because I don't see all the participants' name here. So you people can type it out. Yes. So just write it down side by side. You're written happy. The first thing. Okay. Spoon. Yeah. Bucket. Tub. Mat. Okay. All right. Thank you. Some more. Some more. Just quickly. Thank you. Sudha madam has given a lot of words, right? Okay. She has given. Oh, you are given some names. I just give me some general words. All right. You given me the names. Okay. Okay, I will take that word love from Dr. Sudha's thing. Uh, what is it number? It is number 6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, love is number 6. Okay. Um, okay, and then phone. Wood. Door. Uh, yeah, I take one word from Dr. Sudha's thing. So that is God. She has written God. Okay, God. Okay, and then uh, she has written students. Okay, right, students. Okay, students. Okay, printer. Okay, uh, uh, arrear. She has written arrear, so you can write arrear also. Okay, and moon. Uh, uh, then sky. Tree. Tablet. Pen. Rubber. Okay, clock. Okay, so 20 words have come. Okay, and then uh, what is other words is she has given? Okay. See, ma'am, what happens is when we do this can, tablet, pen, rubber like that, it's called grouping method. Okay, people generally you have the tendency to group the words and do, but I'm talking about irrelevant words, so that it's not easy for anybody to do that. It's that makes really tough. Okay, all right. The next one is car, and then it is credit card. Okay, hammer. Hmm. Potato. Potato. Okay, calculator. Okay. Cushion. Pumpkin. Axe. Rose. uh, Vase. Okay, all right, so 30 words are here. Can you give me? See, the words are written here. So I hope this is coming to your screen. What, I have to keep it like this. So there is a lag. There is a lag in the. Okay. All right. I hope you can see that. These are the words. Okay. You can take a screenshot if you want. You can take a screenshot of this. Okay. Okay. All right. So the reason why I'm showing and ask you to take a screenshot because okay. Otherwise, I will call out like this. I'll call out like this, but you may think that I'm looking into it and then recalling. Okay. Okay. All right. Now, look at the amount of time taken for memorizing all this. Okay. So the amount of time taken. So otherwise you have to sit. So as the number words came, I just memorized it. Okay. So let me, without any effort, let me try to recall. Let's say how it works. Okay. So let's see. Okay. All right. I'm recalling and then I will show you this thing in the screen. Or I will close my eyes. I'll close my eyes. The eyes are closed. Yeah. Okay. Can I call out? Okay. It is happy, spoon, bucket, tub, mat, love, phone, wood, door, God, students, printer, arrears, moon, sky, tree, tablet, pen, rubber, clock, car, credit cards, hammer, potato, calculator, cushion, pumpkin, axe, rose, vase. Yeah, is it right? Yeah. Can you see? All right. You're happy about it? You're happy about it? Yeah? Is it right? Did I do any mistake? No, right? Okay, now in the chat box you type what number you want, corresponding word I will show you. Okay? I'm holding it here in my hand like this. Okay? See, I'm holding it like this. Can you just type out? Okay, just type out the corresponding word I will call you. Just type out the number. Out of 30, you can type out any number or you can type out the word, I will tell you the number. Yeah? Isn't it amazing? Yeah? Okay, very good. Yes. Can you please type out any number? I will immediately show you. Okay. Number 22. Okay. Number 22 is a credit card. Can you see that? Is it there? Yeah? Okay, very good. Number 22 is credit card. Anybody? Anybody? Any number? Quickly. Just type out quickly. See, that is what is the amazing aspect of this particular, activation. Your brain will be so sharp. The youngsters obviously will be very, very sharp. See, another number I'm getting is 16. See, it is here. Okay, number 16 was 3. Yeah, just see that. Yeah, can you see? Okay, so that is 16. Anybody? Dr. Sudha, can you ask me word or a number corresponding? I will show you. I will tell you that. See, without any revision, just with one go of words, this is how you can effectively memorize. Then just think about what will happen to your children. So when they go through this particular activation program, it will be really wonderful for them. Okay? Yes? Anybody wants to type anything? Yes? Because I want to see some words or numbers. You just randomly type. Okay? Yeah, Lavanya is saying 50. Out of 30, you type any number. Don't worry. Maybe you may not be remembering that. Just type out randomly any number. I will show you the corresponding thing from here. Okay? All right. Dr. Sudha is asking 22. I already told, madam. 22 is credit card. I told and I have shown it also here. Okay? So now Lavanya is asking 28. 28 is axe. Huh? 35. Who is that? No, madam. Only 30 words I did here, not 35. Only 30 words I did. Okay. Pumpkin. Lavanya is asking what is pumpkin number. So she has given the word. So I will give you the number. Pumpkin is 27. Pumpkin is 27. You see here? Yeah? Okay. Pumpkin is 27. Yeah. Wood. She is asking for wood. Wood will be number 8. Is it right? Okay. Wood is number 8. Okay. Now Dr. Sudha is asking for 19. Number 19 is rubber. See? Number 19 is rubber. Yeah, that's what it is. So number 3. Number 3 will be bucket. See? Okay. So that's what it is. Thank you. So this is how this thing goes on. And I told you, the important aspect, the 4 points I told you. This one important aspect I just wanted you people to know is I've been talking with you for so long. These words, this 30 words, whatever I did, I can retain this in my mind, okay, for a longer time, okay, without any revision. There's a proof. I will show you that. See, sometime back we did this binary in the first session. The first session we did. So far I have been talking to you only. I was not looking into this paper. All right. So you can ask me anything from this. So I'll be in a position to recall that immediately. All right. So this is the power of retention. Okay. You can, in fact, in the first session, these diagonals were not created. So here diagonals were created. So you can even ask diagonals like A, L, R, B, L, R, whatever you want, you can ask. So this is how it is. So this is what exactly the power of memory works once it is empowered. So are you ready to empower your brain? If you are ready, okay, please put your comments in the box. In fact, last time I requested you people to write it in the comment box of the video. I think many of you missed it. Of course, here, whatever you are typing, since it's a live show, it will be there. But that comment box will be really helpful for everyone. All right. Okay. And there is a link which is provided in every video description box, which is a Google form. So if you are interested to learn this and give it to the other people in your locality or in your surroundings, you're most welcome to do that. Okay. Because the idea is we need to carry this forward. Okay. So this way you really create a fantastic, brilliant, mentally positively activated brains and young generation. Okay. Thank you very much for being with me. Okay. And I'm signing off. See you next week. My program is fixed Sunday 5 p.m. Okay. For this August month. Okay. So later we will see. All right. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.